Una de temor.
Está fuerte la nevadita. Ahí como pueden ver, la doña preocupada por sus plantas. No pensaba que fuera a ser cierto. Ay, qué máquina. Bueno.
Η φύση πάντα βρίσκει τον τρόπο της να μας αγινεύει. Σήμερα έβγαλε έξω την ορχήστρα της και παίζει την καλύτερη συμφωνία. Την παίζει σπάνια, όπως συμβαίνει με τον έρωτα. Αλλά άμα δεν το ζεις όταν είναι φρέσκος, όταν πάγωση γίνεται ολισθηρός και μπορεί να φύγεις.
Sorry to write you, brother. I just want you to be happy. I hate you to be alone on Valentine's Day. I won't be. Going to a wedding. Oh, now you're talking. Weddings are a great place to meet women. Who's getting married? Jody. Jody. Jody? What? Are you serious? Dad, Eddie, what? Do this to yourself. Oh, we're still friends. I'm just saying, watching your ex-fiancé walk down the aisle on Valentine's Day might signal him. No, we're way past that. Really, I mean, if anything, it's gonna be cathartic. To get a little closure. I think it's flat out wrong, but maybe I'm just old-fashioned.
Playing in the snow.
Do you need the snow? You got snow? Ready? Ready, Dusty? You get that snow? Oh.
Yes, yes.
Get that snow. Yes. What is it? 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 Is it snow? There's pee break. She's peeing.
Oh, good. Yay.
Oh, no, maybe not.
Yeah, no, she did.
Yeah, good girl.
Esto se está poniendo bueno.